My growth ray can be used to turn these small plants into big trees.
That's so cool!
Tumbling test tubes. The battery is running out. Oh, that's what I get for buying those cheap knockoffs. Ah, here we go.
Look! It's a giant bird!
Don't worry, I'll shrink it back. Uh-oh, it stopped working again.
Morphle! Morph into a pterodactyl!
A giant bird? Not in my... Hey, give me back my sandwich! I hope you get indigestion.
He keeps looking for new food. Let's lead him out of the city. Hey, birdie, look! Quickly, Morphle! Look, Morphle, it's Farmer Bob's farm. Here, the bird has enough food to eat until Professor Rashid arrives. Yay!
What happened to all my corn? There's only one cob left.
We can take care of that.
Amazing. That's prize-winning corn right there.
Morphle, morph into a dragon. What? Morphle turned back to normal.
Don't worry, Morphle will have his